Welcome to the Aircraft Line Maintenance at Bahrain Airport Services, where we attend to the needs of numerous airline customers with a comprehensive range of engineering services. Our highly skilled aircraft engineers and technicians are trained to perform routine inspections, engine maintenance, repairs, and troubleshooting, ensuring optimal condition for the fleets of reputable airlines like Emirates Airlines, Fly Dubai, and Turkish Airlines. We are proud to hold technical certification for comprehensive aircraft maintenance services, covering all types of aircrafts operating through Bahrain International Airport, including nearly all commercial aircraft types. This all-inclusive coverage reinforces our dedication to providing reliable and efficient services, further solidifying our position as a trusted partner in the aviation industry. Amidst a growingly competitive market, Bahrain Airport Services has successfully reached significant milestones, including securing new business opportunities in the calibration sector, successfully expanding our regulatory approvals and certifications from various aviation authorities, and obtaining new bonds with multiple prominent airlines and cargo carriers. We aim to offer our services to a greater variety of aircraft types, targeting additional airlines operating on the island. Join us on our journey of growth and innovation as we deliver exceptional aircraft maintenance solutions to our partners. Get in touch with us today to benefit from our reliable and efficient line maintenance services, ensuring your fleet's optimal condition in the skies.